Welcome to my YouTube channel, Olani Emmanuel. Now today, what do we want to look at? We want to look at local arbitrage in 2023. Yes, how you can start local arbitrage. Is local arbitrage actually a profitable journey to start? I've seen a lot of people asking questions, diverse of ideas and all. I know you've watched a lot of videos as regard local arbitrage, or this will be the first time you're going to be watching local arbitrage. So local arbitrage is what we're going to be talking about, and in this video I'll tell you what local arbitrage entails. I'll tell you how you can start local arbitrage and factors you need to consider in order to start local arbitrage. That means if you're going to be starting local arbitrage, you need to try as much as possible to look at factors. You need to consider some things, and you need to look at, okay, what are the things you need to put in place in order to have a successful local arbitrage in 2023. So on my system now, I'll be showing you how you can actually start and some factors you need to connect with. Let's get started.
Alright guys, so let's head over to the class we have for today. So I want to talk about how to start local arbitrage in 2023. Now, if you're planning to start local arbitrage in 2023 and you thought it's high time to make massive profit in 2023, as a matter of fact, local arbitrage is one of the business you can start in 2023 and generate massive profit for yourself. It's high time to generate all your massive money back via local arbitrage. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining how you can start local arbitrage and factors you need to consider before you start local arbitrage. So let's take note. What is the meaning of local arbitrage and what does local arbitrage entail? Now, local arbitrage actually entails you buying a product within your country and selling it within your country. That means you're buying products within your country and you're still selling it within your country. How? That means you need to look for bulk buyers. You need to look for buyers that have that particular product that are ready to actually sell to you. You buy it from them at a particular price and you sell it to another customer that needs the product at another price in your own profit fees, and you'll be able to actually remove your own profit and make your own massive money. That means local arbitrage is just simply buying a product within your country. Now, what type of product are we now dealing with here? Now, you can use local arbitrage for any type of product, be it digital product, physical product, or you can also use it for services. That means you can use local arbitrage for either physical product, digital product, or rendering service. That means explaining how you can use local arbitrage to your own benefit. As a matter of fact, if you don't have capital to start a business, or this will be the first time you can actually start the business and make your massive profit. And first thing, ask yourself, are you ready for this? Now, if you are not ready to actually start local arbitrage, there is no point starting, because I've seen a lot of people starting a business and at the long run they are not taking it seriously. Ask yourself, are you ready for this? If you are not ready to start the business, there is no point starting a business that you are not ready for. Alright, the second part of it is this: study your market. Now, oftentimes I do tell people that it is very, very important for you to study your market and know what your market demands. You know what we sell in a particular state might not sell in your own state. What you will sell successfully in a particular state might be a problem in another state. So it is very, very important for you to conduct your market research. Now, another thing I want you to take note is this: choose a niche. Now, you can't start selling all the products. You need to have your own specific niche. Yes, you need to choose your own niche where you actually want to focus on. Are you selling digital products? Are you selling physical products? Or you want to focus on buying services and connect? All you have to do is you want to buy service and you connect it to the person that needs the service, and you make your own profit. Another thing you need to take note, if you want to start local arbitrage and make money massively, is get a supplier. Now, one thing you need to understand is this: you can't start local arbitrage without having your own legit supplier. And you're going to be having your own legit supplier. You need to try as much as possible to get a supplier that is ready to deliver the product, whether physical product, digital product, or services. Alright guys, so another thing you need to take note is visit the supplier store. That is supplier inspection. Now, if you're going to conduct supplier inspection, that means that is actually working for physical products. And if you're selling a physical product and you thought it's high time to conduct inspection on your supplier, you need to ask all questions. Yes, make sure you ask all questions that you have in your mind so that you can confirm if the supplier is legit or not. But if you are selling digital products, all you have to do is just send the message to the person selling the digital product, make your necessary inquiry as regard your own commission, delivery, and everything you need to ask. Then you start promotion. Now the next thing you have to do is set up your online presence. Now you need to build an online presence, and if you're going to be building an online presence, I mean set up a social media handle, whether Facebook page, Instagram page, Google My Business, website. Set up your online presence that will tell people you are into this particular business and you can actually sell to them. Alright, another thing you need to take note is talk about the product. Yes, you need to talk about the product you are selling. Now, if people don't know you are selling that particular product, there is high tendency that they won't have interest in the product and you might not be able to generate the exact profit or exact money you need to make on the business. Now, another thing you need to take note is nurture your audience. Yes, while you create your online presence, for instance, if you have a Facebook page, Instagram page, or any other social media handle you are using to connect with your customer, there is high tendency that you need to nurture your audience. You need to take them through the journey till they buy the product. If they don't understand the product or what the product will do for them, there is high tendency that they won't show interest in the product, neither will they buy the product. Now, another thing you need to do is run sponsored ads. Yes, running sponsored ads has been one of the best things you can do in order to make massive sales and generate good profits in 2023. So far so good. I've been able to explain what you need to consider and what you need to take note anytime or any day you want to start local arbitrage. If you are planning to start local arbitrage now, it's high time for you to generate massive money and generate profits in the business. So local arbitrage is a very good business that you can start, or you thought you're still not getting it and you need a guide, you can send a message to me via the link in my bio. Okay, you have to do something. At the end of this video, if you actually enjoyed this video, try as much as possible to hit the subscribe button and click on like.